Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see your restricted list on Facebook. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply open the Facebook Messenger. After opening the Facebook Messenger, you can now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Now you can tap on settings at the top right corner, and here you can just simply scroll down. Now tap on privacy and safety, and after this you can just simply scroll down. You can see the option restricted accounts in the who can reach you section. Tap on it, and it is a way you can see your restricted list on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.